Are you tired of struggling with weight loss and not seeing results? In today's video, I'll be sharing 10 easy weight loss hacks that you can start implementing right now to kickstart your journey. From small dietary changes to everyday habits, these simple hacks don't require any fancy equipment or expensive diets. So, let's get right into it. Hack number 1. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast. Studies show that people who eat protein-rich meals in the morning tend to feel fuller longer, which can help control cravings throughout the day. Hack number 2. Drink water before meals. Having a glass of water 30 minutes before you eat can help reduce hunger and prevent overeating. Hack number 3. Movement is key. You don't have to hit the gym every day. Simple activities like walking can boost metabolism and burn calories. Hack number 4. Swap out sugary drinks for herbal tea or water. Sugary drinks are loaded with empty calories that can quickly add up, while water or tea can keep you hydrated and feeling fresh. Hack number 5. Prioritize your sleep. Studies show that poor sleep can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night for better energy and fewer cravings. Hack number 6. Stick to whole foods. Processed foods often contain added sugars and unhealthy fats that can stall weight loss. Whole foods are packed with nutrients that help your body burn calories more effectively. Hack number 7. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and focus on your food. By savoring each bite, you're less likely to overeat and more likely to enjoy your meal. Hack number 8. Try using smaller plates. This simple trick can help you feel satisfied with smaller portions. Hack number 9. Set small, achievable goals. Instead of focusing on the scale, try setting mini goals you can celebrate along the way, like drinking more water or getting a daily walk. Hack number 10. Consistency over perfection. Remember, it's better to make small, consistent changes rather than aiming for perfection. Every step counts. There you have it. 10 easy weight loss hacks you can start today. Remember, it's about making manageable changes that fit your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who's on a health journey too. I'll see you in the next video with more tips to help you reach your fitness goals. Take care.